Imagine building a complete application, debugging complex code, or automating entire development workflows without ever leaving your terminal. No more context switching between your IDE, browser, and documentation. Just pure, unadulterated productivity driven by natural language. Sounds like sci-fi? Not anymore. Welcome to the future of software development powered by Grok Build's revolutionary terminal-native AI agent. For too long, app development has been a dance of context switching. You're in your IDE, then jump to the terminal for a command, then to a browser for documentation, back to the IDE, maybe to a debugger. This constant mental overhead slows us down, breaks our flow state, and frankly, it's exhausting. And while AI coding assistants have emerged, many are either GUI-based or require specific scaffolding tools that add their own layer of complexity. They don't truly integrate with your natural workflow. Grok Build changes all of that. It integrates agentic software engineering directly into your terminal. This means you interact with an intelligent system using plain English right where you're already working, allowing for truly seamless, natural language-driven development. Before we dive into the magic, let's get you set up. Grok Build is currently in beta and exclusively available for Super Grok Heavy subscribers via xAI's platform. If you're a subscriber, navigate to your Super Grok dashboard. Look for the Build Agents beta section. You'll find a quick start guide there. It typically involves downloading a small installer package for your OS and then running a simple command in your terminal, something like Grok Build Setup. This command will guide you through authenticating with your xAI account. Now, here's a crucial gotcha many people miss. After installation, you must ensure your terminal environment variables are correctly configured. Specifically, check your .bashrc or .zshrc file to confirm that the Grok Build executable path has been added to your path environment variable. If you skip this, you'll likely hit a frustrating command not found error. A quick source.bashrc or source.bashrc should refresh your terminal after editing. Get this right, and you're golden. All right, with Grok Build ready, let's build something. This is where the real power lies. Step 1. Scaffolding and application. Open your terminal. For a basic scaffold, you can be direct. Type Grok Build new React app -name my awesome project. Grok Build will intelligently set up a basic React project structure. But the real breakthrough comes with natural language. Let's try this. Input: Grok Build, create a simple React app with a Python Flask backend for user authentication. You'll hit enter and Grok Build springs to life. Step 2. Observe Grok Build's parallel subagents. What you'll see next is fascinating. Grok Build doesn't just run one monolithic process. It intelligently spins up parallel subagents. You'll see separate progress logs for the front-end agent working on your React components, the back-end agent setting up Flask routes and models, and even a database agent provisioning and configuring Postgres. They work simultaneously, displaying their progress in real time, which is incredibly efficient. Step 3. Review and debug. Once Grok Build completes the initial setup, you have a functional starting point. But what if you want to refine or debug? Just ask. Type Grok Build review current code for security flaws. Grok will analyze your freshly generated codebase and highlight potential vulnerabilities or best practice deviations, suggesting fixes. Or if you run into an issue later, say your login isn't working, simply type Grok Build debug the login function in the auth.py file. Grok Build will analyze that specific file, identify potential issues, and even offer interactive debugging suggestions. What's more, for quick file navigation and selections, Grok Build integrates a subtle, mouse-driven UI directly into your terminal, allowing you to highlight code snippets or files with ease. Key variable: autonomy. Now, this is important. You can adjust Grok Build's autonomy setting. For rapid prototyping or boilerplate, you might use Grok Build-autonomy high. This tells Grok Build to make more decisions independently. But if you need fine-grained control, especially for critical sections, switch to Grok Build-autonomy low. This will prompt you for more approvals and detailed feedback, balancing speed with your desired level of intervention. Once you're comfortable with the basics, Grok Build unlocks some incredible advanced workflows. Power user trick 1. Automate end-to-end workflows. Imagine this. Instead of separate commands for scaffolding, testing, and deployment, you can string it all together. You could literally prompt Grok Build scaffold, test, and deploy a new feature branch to a staging environment with a basic CI/CD pipeline and notify the team on Slack. Grok Build will orchestrate that entire sequence, from code generation to environment setup and deployment, even integrating with external services like Slack if configured. Power user trick 2. Integrate with existing CI/CD pipelines. Grok Build isn't just for greenfield projects. You can ask it to generate and push specific build scripts or configuration files directly into your existing CI/CD setup. For example, Grok Build generate a Docker file and a Kubernetes deployment manifest for the current project, push to dev branch, and create a pull request. Combination, and for the ultimate developer workstation, pair Grok Build with a custom code quality agent. Grok Build can then incorporate real-time automated code reviews and refactoring suggestions as it's building, ensuring higher quality code from the get-go. This is true generative and analytical AI working in concert. So what does this all mean for real-world development? Let me show you. Here's a fully functional mini application, a simple note-taking app built entirely from natural language prompts in the terminal using Grok Build. We started with create a note-taking app with user accounts, a title, content, and tags, and in minutes, we had a working scaffold. We then iterated add a search function, implement Markdown support for content, ensure all data is validated. The result? A robust, functional app generated with minimal manual coding. This isn't just about cool tech, it's about massive productivity gains. We've seen scaffolding and initial setup times reduced from hours, sometimes even days, to mere minutes. This frees up engineers for truly complex problem solving, architectural design, and innovative feature development rather than getting bogged down in boilerplate. Think rapid prototyping for product leads, automating repetitive code for developers, hands-free debugging for efficiency, or quickly creating custom automation scripts for almost any task. Grok Build is fundamentally changing how we approach software development. The era of terminal-native agentic AI for coding is here, and Grok Build is leading the charge. It's a powerful tool that will redefine your development workflow and unlock unprecedented levels of productivity. Start exploring its capabilities and see how much time you can reclaim. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials that empower you with the latest AI tools and techniques. Next time, we'll be diving into how to fine-tune your own specialized AI models for niche coding tasks. Don't miss it.